Happy New Year everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a nice fluffy twist out. I haven't done a twist out in a really long time, so I was super excited to do this style, and I'm going to be doing it on stretched hair. Your girl has been feeling a little bit under the weather. I'm still not feeling the best, but I really wanted to get this video out for y'all. So like I said, we're doing a fluffy twist out, and I'm glad I'm doing this switch up because I've been doing wash and goes, y'all, every single week. So it was time for a new style. To stretch my hair with no heat, I like to do braids or twists after washing and then letting them dry overnight. So for this twist out, I've already put in my leave-in conditioner from after washing last night, and I'm going to be using a paddle brush and the Camille Rose Naturals Almond J twisting butter as my only styler. Because we're going for a big fluffy look, I feel like it would be best to use one good moisturizing product. After separating my hair and sectioning, we're going to get right into twisting. So it's very simple, very similar to my other tutorials. Y'all already know. We have 4 sections starting off in the back section, and we're going to divide that into an even smaller subsection. Now if you want big fluffy results, I feel like this is a good amount of product to use for each twist, just because the more product you use, the more chance you have of your hair either shrinking up or being weighed down depending on what kind of hair you have. So it's likely that instead of big fluffy results, you'll get more shrunken, defined results, which is still cute, but that's just not what we're going for today. As y'all can see, I just twisted up that first section, and I'm going to be repeating the same process all over the rest of my head. I also like to do small to medium sections just because I feel like it gives me the perfect balance between defined and fluffy results. You guys have definitely seen me do a twist out like this before on stretched hair, but my hair was a lot shorter, which is so crazy. I will link it up above for you guys if you want to check that out. But some key things to remember, I feel like that will really help you guys get the best out of the style, are number 1, if you're trying to do this style without using any heat, I would recommend that when twisting your hair up, use little to no water. In this style, I'm not using any water at all. I'm only using the cream, and this is going to allow my hair to stay in a stretched state and for the results to come out as big as you want, but still keeping the hair moisturized. Another tip I have for you is to make sure you're detangling before and during your twist. So I like to detangle a couple times before I begin twisting, and then once I get about halfway down, I like to detangle the ends again just to get rid of any tangles. You don't want tangled hair in a twist, and I guarantee your results will come out a lot better if you incorporate detangling while twisting. Let me know in the comments below what are your favorite styling products for twist outs, and do you prefer a more defined twist out or a fluffy twist out? Alright, here is my hair all twisted up. I love how it has shine, they look moisturized, and I know I'm going to get great results. Honestly, I always get great results with the Camille Rose Naturals Almond J twisting butter, and of course I will have it linked down below for you guys. After doing my makeup and putting on my outfit, I'm going to be taking down the twist. And since we only used the twisting butter and not any water, the twist dried in only a couple of hours. This technique is super helpful, especially if you need a last minute style the day of, or if you want to do a style on old hair like a wash and go. So first we're going to be using the Alakay Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. Y'all have seen me use this already in a bunch of videos. I love this stuff. It's a really good hair oil, so I do highly recommend, and it will be linked below. But I'm just applying that all over my scalp and to the perimeter of my hair, my edges, and basically everywhere, just because, to be honest y'all, I really love this hair oil. It's so good. Not only is it great for your scalp, but I also love to use this when taking down styles as well. So I'll be applying it to my fingertips as well when I'm separating my hair. Now for my favorite part, the takedown. So I'm going to be separating starting at the root of my hair and just working my way down. Here are my little twists. Do you all see that definition? Like, yes, this is what we want right here. Super defined, but also not too defined to where our hair will be shrunken up. We've still kept our stretch. I like to separate my twists one time before I further separate and try to get my hair big, just because I like to see what I'm working with overall first before I try to make my hair really fluffy. And as you can see, we have really defined results, which is a good sign that once we further separate, our hair will, yes, be big, but still have that curl definition. Now that we've taken out all the twists, we can begin to further separate. I'm applying the oil to my hands and going right in. So I really don't like to separate too much in the beginning. So I'm just going to separate piece by piece and twirl the ends with my fingers just so that you're keeping the shape of the curl. If you twist in the opposite direction, your hair will come out in this like weird shape. So yes, definitely recommend twisting in the same direction as the curl and not separating too much. You don't want to get carried away because you can easily ruin a style by separating way too much. So just take your time with this part, don't rush it. At the end, you can always separate more, but you can't go backwards. So definitely take your time. Here is my hair all separated and we're looking really good already. Feel free to stop at this step, but y'all already know. I'm gonna grab my pick and we're gonna make this hair big, okay? A new thing I've been doing actually is sectioning my hair when picking out my styles. So instead of just going all over my head with my hair out picking, it's better, I find, to actually really separate your hair out and get into those sections that the pick can't always reach, and this will help you maximize your fluff and maximize how big your results are going to be. Only one choice now. Just do that speed. There's a treasure the way you calm me down. How you set me free. When I thought it was impossible. Cause I'm full of the focus before. But you're different, you're good to the bone. It compels me to bet on my soul. I wanna be the one. 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 Here are the results of my fluffy twist out. I really hope y'all enjoyed. I cannot believe how long my hair is getting, y'all. Like, this is crazy. But yeah, comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Please stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next upload. You're different, you're good to the bone. It compels me to